How to transfer cryptos from Blockfi to Coinbase wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can transfer cryptos from Blockfi to Coinbase wallet. So in order to do this procedure, first of all check your internet connection and then go ahead and open up Coinbase wallet. So first of all you need to copy the wallet address. So for that, log in into your Coinbase wallet account, and once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Since Coinbase wallet is receiving, so click on receive, located right on top. Now from here you'll need to go ahead and select the particular cryptocurrency or type in crypto. After that you'll be able to see this, and here you can just simply go ahead and select copy wallet address, or you can also download the QR code. Either way you can just do any of these procedures. After that, exit out of your Coinbase wallet and then log in into your Blockfi. Once you're logged into your Blockfi account, this is going to take you to the home page as well. Here you'll need to go and tap the try bar icon located right on top, and the drop down menu appears. From there you need to go and select account settings. You'll be taken to the other interface where you'll be able to see dashboard located right at the bottom. Once you're done tapping the dashboard button, next page click on withdrawal. Once you select withdrawal, next page you'll be asked to select or enter in the wallet address. If you don't see it here, then you can just go ahead and select use another wallet address. Once you do that, next page is going to ask you to provide in the wallet address, so simply paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied. Now moving on with the other step, you'll need to go ahead and select what you're actually transferring. So select the particular asset. Once you're done confirming it, enter in the exact amount of crypto that you wish to transfer, and once you're done with that procedure as well, you need to go and select review withdrawal located right at the bottom. So go through the confirmation, and if you're sure about it, then click the submit button, and in no time you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully transferred cryptos from Blockfi to Coinbase wallet. So in this way you can transfer crypto from Blockfi to Coinbase wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.